What is the role of steam boiler in the production process of water reducer? Steam boilers can provide heat energy for heating reaction materials. The reaction progress and product quality in water reducer production are closely related to temperature. Steam generators can provide stable heat to ensure that the reaction proceeds at the ideal temperature. Steam also helps control the humidity at the production environment, preventing drying and agglomeration of materials during production. In certain specific links, steam boilers can also dry and purify materials.